Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to be recording for you guys. So today we're gonna do a summer nail tutorial and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm using these full coverage tips. These ones are coffin. They're about like I would say XL tips that I got them from Amazon, and I'm using the Beatles nail glue, and I'm using my gelish lamp, and I'm curing this in the lamp. I'm holding it to make sure I have no bubble so they can cure in the LED lamp, which I love because I don't have to hold it. It works really good, and as you guys can see, there's no bubbles. It's just perfect. Now, this is how I do this. Also, you can file the inside of the nail tip, and then you can go ahead and glue it to your nail. This will make the nail last longer. Also, what I do, I put a primer, then I put my base coat on my nail, cure it in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Then I put the tip like I'm doing now, and I cure in the lamp for about 60 seconds each of them. Once I'm done with curing them in the lamp, I will put the full hand in my big lamp for about 60 seconds, so I make sure it is really cured and they can last longer. How long these nails can last? They can last about 21 days. So this drill that I'm using is the Melody Susie nail drill. This is an old one. I got this for like, it's been 2 years since I bought it on Amazon, and it's been great. It's been wonderful. It works perfect. I think there's no need to buy like a 300 nail drill when brands like these ones are making amazing nail drills. So what I'm using here is this ceramic nail bead. I don't know if you guys heard of these nail beads. They're called ceramic ones. I have never used them before, and I have to say I really love it. It is very sharp. It is amazing. I love it. And what I'm doing here is I'm trying to blend the end of the tip with the cuticle area, because this will help the nail that it won't look like a press-on nail. It will look more like a natural nail. It will look more like an acrylic nail instead of like a press-on nail. So I'm using a little bit of seed decoration here. Of course, this is all fake. It is not real. And I have some dry flowers, beautiful flowers, some sea stars, some metal decoration, as you guys can see. Also, I have this beautiful little bit of sand in here with glitter. I will be using that to more gold metal decoration. And also I do have some small glitters in here, like a blue color, just like the ocean color. And I also have this big box in here with a bunch of sea, ocean, summer decoration here. So I may be using this color and this color. Those are shells, like crushing shells that I bought like a long time ago. So I'm gonna mix the two of those colors. I'm gonna mix the green and the blue. And I'm using these tweezers that I got from Amazon, and I love them, guys. You have seen them before on my videos because they help a lot when I'm working with decoration, because I can grab them like this and it works amazing. Also, if I'm working with rhinestones and I need to separate them, or I need to pick them, a bunch of them up to put it in the container, this will cut my time really fast. So what I'm starting doing here, I'm applying a builder gel, just a very thin layer of a builder gel. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all my decoration on that builder gel, because this is what is gonna secure the decoration. So as you guys can see, I'm trying to place the shells, leaving just a little bit of space between each other. And I'm gonna do different things because I don't want to repeat the same thing in all of the nails. So this nail will be the same one as the one after the middle finger, and then the middle finger will be different, the pinky finger will be different, and then I will put the flower. Look how pretty this already look. I love this color. Like, summer colors are my favorite. So what happened is that when I put the builder gel, just like a little bit of builder gel, it will help the decoration stay put. And then all I have to do is cure it in the lamp, and it will stay put. Now, keep in mind that we're working with gel builders like this. Keep in mind that it will leave like a stickiness after you cure in the lamp. So you always have to clean it, because everything will get stick to it. Like, hair, dust, whatever you don't want to stick on it, it will. So I'm doing a little bit of glitter, and I don't want to put too much. I don't want to like make it really heavy with a bunch of decoration. And I clean my tweezers every now and then because it is better like not to mix the decoration. And I use these other tweezers here so I can place my shells. Of course, you take your own time. Don't do this in a hurry. You want to make sure that you place them. You want to make sure that you place them exactly where you want them. Okay. Um, with this nail, I went back to it because I wanted it to have the shells a little bit closer, just a little bit peeking through, like a little bit of clear. So I went back and added a little bit more. Later on the video, you will see that. And once I'm done and happy with the placement of the shells, I will cure in the lamp, and then I will repeat again. Now for this nail, I wanted to do something different because I don't like to repeat the same design. So what I did on this one, I put a thin layer of the gel builder. And this gel, I got it from Amazon. It was really, really cheap. I can't remember the name. And then I will put a little bit of my sand. This is not, it's almost like sand, but it's more like little rocks, I would say. Like, you know, when you go to the beach and you find sand, but it has a little mix of sand and a little bit of rocks and shells. So that's pretty much what it is. And I purchased this online, and I love it. So I don't want to put too much because I don't want it to be like very, very heavy on that. Because when you use sand like this, you got to be very careful because it can leave you with a very thick nail, and you will have to file it. You will have to file and file and file until you're tired. So try to put a little bit, not too much. And then I clean on the sides, of course. And I use this lint-free wipe to clean. And then I will grab a little star right there, and I put a little bit of the gel builder, just a little bit, put the star on top so that it can stick to the nail, I mean to the little rocks that I have here. You guys will see me doing that in a minute. And then what I did, I will cure that so it don't move, so it will stay into place. And you guys can see how cool it looks. So here I applied a little bit of the gel, not too much, just a little bit. And then I will place my starfish. Look how pretty. And then once I place it and I'm happy, I'm gonna go back to the tip part of the nail, and I'm gonna apply my shells. So sometimes what you can do also, you can decorate different colors of shells. If you want it to look very pretty, very dimensional, you can do that. In my case, I just want to do like blue and green. I think those are the perfect colors for like ocean vibe, I guess. And so I continue placing the shells like this. They are different sizes. Of course, I want to leave a little bit of the clear in between them. Not too much, not too much. And once I'm done, guys, I'm going to go ahead and cure this in the lamp for about 60 seconds. So I make sure everything is cured and secure. So this is how it looks, guys. So the next step is I'm going to repeat again what I did in the index finger, and I'm going to let you guys see it. It's very easy to do. And remember, guys, if you don't have like a gel builder, you guys can use clear acrylic. It will work the same way. Maybe with acrylic you will have to work faster, I would say. Other people put glue to add the shells so they can stick to the nail, but you have to work faster. Other way is you can use a top coat to adhere the shells and then cover everything up with gel. In this case, I'm going to use gel to cover the whole nails, which I'm going to show you guys more ahead of the video. So there's so many ways you can do this. And remember, if you guys have questions, leave it in the comment section. I will answer them. And remember, you can follow me on Instagram. I haven't posted on Instagram in a while because I've been really, really busy with my work. So I haven't posted on Instagram, but I'm trying to find a balance between posting on YouTube, recording on YouTube, and my job because I have a very, very, very demanding job. So that's why the videos has been a little bit slow. But yeah, I'm just trying to find a balance to see how I will build like a schedule, something to post videos. But for sure, I will always post videos on YouTube, probably like once a week, maybe. But I would like to post more than once a week. We'll see how things go. I also want to do a Q&A video. So if you guys have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section and I will do a video answering your questions. I already have like 6 questions already, so I want to have more to create a video as well. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions, any suggestions for video or anything like that. I will be reading your comments as always and answering them too. So I'm gonna keep doing this, repeating the same process. For this nail here, I decided to do something different. I was not a fan of this nail that much versus the other one, but it didn't look that bad, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do this one, and then I will show you at the end how they all look. So to encapsulate the whole nail, what I'm using is gel, and this gel is from Junk Nails. Is the glossy one, and I love this one because you can see all the designs pretty clear, like really, really clear. It is amazing. I love it, guys. It takes practice, I'm not gonna lie, but it's very sale level, so it's amazing. And I bought it when they had the mystery boxes. They always have sales, so you can buy them really at a very, very good price. And I apologize if my camera is not focusing in some parts of this video. As you guys know, I moved, so I'm trying to find the perfect setting for the camera again, but I think I'm getting there. But I love this gel. I love working with the gel. If you don't have gel, you can use your clear acrylic. The most clear one that you have will work perfect for this. Also, gel builder will work for this as well. So what I did, I encapsulate with the gel from Junk Nails, and I'm gonna cure in the lamp when I'm done for about 60 seconds. And when they come out of the lamp, I will have to use my Freelance wipe because it will leave very sticky the surface of the nail. And if you don't take care of that, guys, everything will get close, sticky to your nail. Everything, trust me. And it's gonna be a pain to clean this. So I'm just looking it around the nail, making sure that it is cell level, that I don't have some dent in the nail, because when you work with gel, this happen. Same thing happened with acrylic, but in my opinion, I think it happens more with the gel, where you gotta make sure that your nail is perfect to the point where you have your apex, and then it don't look like, let me see how I describe this. It don't look like some sides are up and then down and up, because it's gonna look horrible. So that's why I move it to the side like this, so I make sure it has the same amount of gel in each side of the nail, so it don't look weird, deformed, or stuff like that. Okay, it shouldn't look deformed. It should look like this, like you have an apex. It should look very, very nice. And this is how they look, guys. I cured them, I cleaned them, and this is how they look. Now, the filing process took a lot of time, a lot, because filing is not easy. So working with gel, you have to file, make sure everything's in shape. And then what I did, I filed them. I used the drill, I used the hand file. Then I went and washed my nails so I can remove the dust out of the nails. And as you guys can see, the seashells and the fish star, everything, it is very um, encapsulated, very covered, very nice. So I'm using this brush here. This brush is from Born Pretty. They sent it to me the last time. They sent me a bunch of stuff from their brand. I love their brand. And remember, we have a discount code if you want to buy stuff at bornpretty.com on their website. It will discount some money out of your purchase. So here I'm just going to add one of my favorite rhinestones because they're very like ocean, like water color. These are my favorite rhinestones, guys. And they come in blue, like very blue color, like the watercolor, let's just put it that way. They're one of my favorite ones. If you guys watch my YouTube video, I have another YouTube video where I do another nail tutorial using only blue shells, and they're bigger sizes than this one. And I also use these rhinestones, and they are amazing, amazing. So I'm going to continue doing the decoration on my nail, and then I will show you the final result. Okay, guys, so this is how they look. And they're pretty, they're so beautiful. I love, love, love these nails. I think they look amazing. How much you think they will charge you if you go to a nail salon for these nails? They will charge you a lot, a lot. Because it took a lot to do them. And I think it will charge. Put in the comment section how much you think they will charge you for nails like this. I want to see your questions. So to finish, of course, I'm going to use one of my favorite top coats. I love this top coat because it is very shiny. It is thick. I love top coats that are thick because I think it helps the look a lot. So what I'm doing is just putting a little bit of top coat. I make sure that I don't have any top coat in my skin, on the sides of the nails. Everything is clean before I put my nails in the lamp. Why? Because if I have top coat in my skin, it's gonna burn when I put it in the lamp. So I make sure everything is fine. I also never, never, never put top coat on top of my rhinestones. I think if you do that, it will put the shine away from the rhinestone and it looks horrible. So I put a little bit of cuticle oil, do a little massage, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave your question for the Q&A video, and what else? And I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram. To like my Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.